Hi, I'm Erica Rutkowski. This is Jennifer McLowan. We are the school-wide specialists here at East Middle School. We're going to take a few minutes and go over some information with you that we would normally give out at our parent information night. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to see you face-to-face this year, but this information will be left up for you to review. So just to give you a few things that we're going to talk about is our major goal, our school-wide plan, the Title I Schoolwide Support Program, parents' rights, how we assess, how you can contact staff, an end of the year survey, different opportunities to be engaged, and the importance of having your input. The major goal at East Middle School for the 2021 school-wide plan is to provide high quality instruction that increases academic achievement and use data as a driving force to do that. We know that this year is going to be very different than years past, but we are going to work our hardest online to stick to this plan the best we can. Our school-wide support program, and actually what Jen and I do as school-wides, are Jen focuses on the math end of the school, and I work with literacy and reading. We do the academic screenings when students are in need of that, try to keep up with as much parent involvement as we can. We have an audit that we're responsible for at the end of the year. We act as interventionists to support students in reading and math, and we work on our school-wide improvement plan on a yearly basis.
Here are your parent rights under Every Child Succeeds Act, and the chart shows a comparison of what used to be under No Child Left Behind versus what is currently in place. One of the most important pieces is the parent involvement piece, where the ESSA requires states to get input from parents and families as they create state plans. And so you'll see further on in our PowerPoint the opportunities where you can give that input.
Included every year as part of the packet that we give you are our family engagement policy and our parent compact. This year, we're going to mail them out to you, but they are also found online at our East Middle School website. Our curriculum this year is brand new in both reading and math. Both curriculums follow the SHIPS and the Common Core, which we know is quite a bit more rigorous than it has been in the past. And some of the assessments that we do are PASA. It was canceled last year because of COVID, and we're not exactly sure what's going to happen this year, but we have tests that we do throughout the school year to monitor progress for students, and those are CDTs, ALEX, and DRA assessments on an as-needed basis for screening. Please feel free to contact staff whenever you need to. We have a Facebook page this year. If you look on the upper left of the screen, you see our homepage, East Middle, a community school. We encourage you to email. All of the teachers' email addresses are on our website as well under the staff tab, parent tab, I'm sorry. And you can also call the office and leave a message. Different opportunities to be engaged would be online. Infinite Campus is a great way to check attendance, grades, notes from teachers. Engaging at school is a little bit hard again this year since we're not able to do many face-to-face things, but engaging at home is making sure that students have a quiet place to actually sit and do their work, get them logged in online on time, and make sure that they have the resources they need to do this.
Online for Infinite Campus and Schoology, these two platforms are primarily what we are using for you to find different information. Infinite Campus is good for student information like their schedule, grades and attendance, whereas Schoology is going to be the platform you will be able to use for any of the curricular information regarding what materials the students will need for their classes, any announcements for their classes or for the school year. Any documents or assignments that the students will need for their courses will be found there. And you can also message their teachers through Schoology as well.
At the end of the year, you'll get a parent survey that we'll pass out. It's very important that you hand this back to us. This is how we gauge the effectiveness of our school, and this is how we allow you to make suggestions for us to improve. Again, like I said, this is a very different year for all of us. As you have parent needs, we don't expect you to wait until the end of the year. Please, again, feel free to call, email, and join our Facebook page so you can communicate with us in real time. This is normally where we would ask if you had any questions. So if you do, please get in touch with us. It's a lot of information, and have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good day.